Hello, this is Chris from Prism Math Academy. In today's video, we are going to look at a puzzle which has a clever solution, so keep watching. Here is the question. A positive number is written on each of the 6 faces of the dice. For all 8 corners of the dice, we compute the product of the numbers on the 3 adjacent faces of the corner. The sum of these products is 1001. What is the sum of the 6 numbers on the faces? Take a moment to try and figure out the answer. You may pause the video if needed. Here are some hints. Try organizing your variables. Factorization comes in handy. Okay, here is how we can solve this problem. Imagine that the dice is placed on a 3-dimensional coordinate system. Let the numbers on the faces be A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, placed in such a way that A1 and A2 are on opposite faces on Z-axis, and B1 and B2 are on opposite faces on Y-axis, and C1 and C2 are on opposite faces on X-axis. The product of numbers on 3 adjacent faces to each of the 8 corners of the dice will then be the following. Adding the 8 quantities we get. Here we are taking the common factors out from the 8 quantities to get the following final form consisting of only 3 factors. Now let's add the above products as follows. We were given the value of the above product equals 1001, so A1 plus A2 times B1 plus B2 times C1 plus C2 equals 1001. In problems involving numbers and products such as the above, it is often very helpful to factorize the numbers to gain further insights on the variables appearing on the left side of the equation. If we factorize 1001, we get 1001 is equal to 7 times 11 times 13. So, A1 plus A2 times B1 plus B2 times C1 plus C2 is equal to 7 times 11 times 13. Notice that all the factors on the right-hand side are prime numbers. So, this means all factors on the left-hand side must be exactly one of these 3 numbers. This is true because prime numbers cannot be further factorized into smaller numbers. This implies that the sum of the factors on the left must be equal to sum of the factors on the right, since they are the same factors. Notice that when you add the factors on the left, you are actually adding the numbers on faces of the dice. This sum equals 7 plus 11 plus 13, which is equal to 31. So the sum of the 6 numbers on the faces equals 31. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please smash the like button and hit the subscribe button to get more related content.